you ever faced any sexual harassment or if someone assaults you, you cannot complain about it.
Is it only glamour या इसमें कहीं ना कहीं कॉम्प्रोमाइज भी है?
I have seen such people जो compromise नहीं भी करते हैं और जो कर जाते हैं.
If you are not involved with your directors or producers and some of the senior people backstage, then career बनना tough है.
देखो, करियर दो चीज़ों से बन सकता है इस इंडस्ट्री में, either compromise और money.
Does education also play a major factor in this industry, or is it just completely talent based?
आप एक 12th grade पास को भी pageant में उतार सकते हो. It's all about the personality.
Can you say that modeling is an easy route to Bollywood?
Through modeling, people do gain recognition in this industry.
कुछ ऐसी dark reality of in this industry. Only the pageants and the models know from inside कि यहाँ क्या हो रहा है.
There were girls who were paid to participate at the pageant.
Is modeling about glamour, or is there a darker side no one talks about? Today, we are diving deep into the real world behind the camera flashes, from personal struggles to industry truths, from pageants to paychecks and everything in between. Our guest has seen the reality of modeling world up close, the highs, the heartbreaks, and the hard choices. The episode isn't just about fashion, it's about courage, clarity, and calling out what's real. So if you have ever been curious about what really happens behind the scene, this one's for you. Let's get started. So Sanskriti, thank you for joining us yet again for the podcast after that very good interview with you.
Thank you.
So coming straight to the point, एक सबसे बड़ा myth है या maybe reality है modeling में कि is it only glamour या इसमें कहीं ना कहीं compromise भी है?
Okay. So it totally depends on the person, honestly, because I have seen such people जो compromise नहीं भी करते हैं और जो कर जाते हैं. I still remember I was at this pageant in 2022. So there was this girl and she basically slept with a guy almost 60 years old. And just so that she could take a trip to Dubai.
Damn. Why would they do that?
So this is the level, but yeah, there it again I'll say it totally depends on the person कि तुम वो path choose करना चाहते हो या नहीं. So yeah.
But people often say कि अगर ये चीज़ है ही नहीं, if you are not involved with your directors or producers and if some of the senior people backstage, then career बनना tough है.
That's not true. देखो, career दो चीज़ों से बन सकता है इस industry में, either compromise or money. So it totally depends on you.
But अगर होता भी है, just in case, like if someone doesn't want to be involved in these things, and what if producers and directors are just giving them a keys कि अगर तुम नहीं करोगे तो हम career बर्बाद कर देंगे.
See, that's not true. That's not true because हम आज की डेट में देखते हैं कि बॉलीवुड में इतने सारे एग्जांपल्स हैं जिनको धमकाया गया था, थ्रेटन किया गया था कि we'll destroy your career and everything. But आज हम देख रहे हैं वो कहाँ है. That's because of just pure talent, right?
It is.
So obviously factors हर जगह pros and cons हर जगह होते हैं. सिर्फ इस इंडस्ट्री में नहीं, कॉर्पोरेट वर्ल्ड में भी अगर हम जाएंगे तो वहाँ पे भी सेम चीज़ है. So again I'll say it all comes down to that person कि वो कौन सा path choose कर रहा है.
Have you ever experienced certain things?
No, actually, but yeah, I have heard. I know one thing. So there is this friend of mine. So she was associating herself with this production house. So they had this thing in their contract, this condition that if you ever face any sexual harassment or if someone assaults you, you cannot complain about it. And whatever earnings whatever you'll earn for the rest of your life, आपको उसमें से 30% for your lifetime हमको देना होगा. उनकी ये conditions थी.
So they're
So
even
she
trying to
denied.
rob you, and they're not even providing safety for it.
So the thing is कि बहुत fresh talents आते रहते हैं daily इस industry में, and people tend to exploit them. So it's a very sad reality. But you know, like when I started off with modeling, so there were people who tried to exploit me, but I did not let that happen. So yeah, it totally depends on you.
This is definitely one of the struggles, but what about the other struggles? Like, how does the journey go, and what about your parents' support? The parents do hesitate when their
So-
kids join this industry.
So like when I started off, मेरी आधी फैमिली ने मुझसे बात करनी बंद कर दी थी from my mother's end. But yeah, eventually they understood. And if we talk about struggle, तो बहुत rejections face करने पड़ते हैं, बहुत ज़्यादा, to finally achieve that peak in this industry. So struggle तो बहुत है, no doubt. बट हाँ वही है कि आप कितना खींच सकते हो अपने आप को, बिकॉज क्या होता है कि कई लोग एकदम एज पर आके रुक जाते हैं कि वी कैन नॉट डू दिस एनी मोर, वी आर नॉट कट आउट फॉर दिस, बट दैट्स नॉट ट्रू. व्हाट इफ फ्यूचर में you get something better out of
People
it?
do back off for last stage.
Yeah,
last
yeah, that's
stair
so
चढ़ने से they
true.
just back off.
That's so true. I've seen my co-models doing it because, yeah, and, it's very heartbreaking, but it's what can we do now?
No one can just take a stand if they are not famous socially or something like that.
Yeah, like you need to, voice up for yourself. No one else would do that for
Never,
you.
never. So how has your journey been so far in this pageant industry?
It's been good, actually. I had 2 of my pageants at Jaipur.
Yeah.
And मैं दोनों बार ground लेके आई हूँ. So it's good.
So does education also play a major factor in this industry, or is it just completely talent based? Because accent and all is a very definite thing required. So does education plays a role in this thing?
So honestly speaking, आप एक 12th grade pass को भी
Yeah.
pageant में उतार सकते हो. It's all about the personality. आपने अपनी personality कितनी build की है. आपको वो tactics आते हैं कि जो use करने चाहिए while you are speaking to a person or while you are representing yourself. वो आपके में है या नहीं है, तो there are various agencies who train you for that. So yeah, it's not necessary to be completely educated कि तुम्हारे पास एक degree होनी चाहिए for it, because many people do it without a degree. And some like there was this friend of mine जो school में होते हुए Femina Miss India के लिए गई थी.
It was a big achievement.
Yeah, so it's like education doesn't matter. It's like the only thing that matters is कि तुम किस type के person हो. Are you like because you cannot fake it. Okay, you cannot fake your personality like at such platform.
Jealousy होती है जब ऐसे कोई friend इतनी सी young age पे इतना
No.
like you go to this
No.
Femina, or you just feel happy for them?
I feel happy. I genuinely feel happy.
Very good for you. क्योंकि there's a thing कि girl friendship doesn't exist, no?
That's true. See, it's not about कि देखो वहाँ पे jealousy का factor नहीं आता. मेरे end से नहीं आता. I don't know about others.
Maybe they are jealous, maybe they are not.
I don't know about others, but मेरे end से नहीं आता. But हाँ, when you are at a pageant, तुम किसी लड़की पे भरोसा नहीं कर सकते, क्योंकि what they often do is that suppose आपका state round है, state costume round, खराब कर देंगे, तोड़ देंगे, आपकी heels तोड़ देंगे, ये सब करते just to win the competition. So can you see how empty they are from within? So yeah.
That shows their underconfidence. हुआ है कभी ऐसा?
एक बार हाँ, जब मैं ये मिस टीन के लिए गई हुई थी, तो आई वाज स्टेइंग विद दिस गर्ल, सो वी वर शेयरिंग द सेम रूम, और मेरा स्टफ रखा हुआ था एंड वाज जस्ट लाइक खुला हुआ था वो सब. वो रूम का डोर खोल के चली गई and it was like open for almost 2 hours, 3 hours something, and I was practicing downstairs for like I was rehearsing for the show. So there are people like this.
सामान के साथ क्या हुआ फिर?
बच गया somehow, but मैं बहुत गुस्सा हुई थी इस बात पे कि how careless can you be? मतलब you are you know competing for a national title and तुम इतने careless हो.
So people like we have seen कि modeling के बाद people just somehow go into Bollywood. Can you say that modeling is an easy route to Bollywood?
Through modeling, people do gain recognition in this industry. But if we talk about modeling and Bollywood, they're two different, you know, aspects.
Completely two different aspects.
Yeah.
That's why I asked कि we have seen the biggest of names joining Bollywood after modeling, Priyanka Chopra, Aishwarya Rai. So is it an easy route कि easy हो जाती हैं चीज़ें, confidence build हो जाता है? But the main thing still remains ना कि acting skills कहाँ से आ रहे हैं?
Acting skills, see, models में acting skills होते हैं. It's just कि people don't know about it. Because see, ads जो बनते हैं उसमें models ही लिए जाते हैं. They don't hire any, you know, actor.
Yeah.
So like if तुमने इस agency का नाम सुना होगा तो आप. So they, you know, like people recruit models from there for their ads and everything. So yeah, models do act.
It starts from a small commercial, then to TV shows maybe.
That's so true.
Then series, then Bollywood. Take a long path.
Yeah.
Okay. And modeling में earnings and all का क्या रहता है? Like, is it a very high paying industry?
It is. It is. It is.
सारे मॉडल्स के लिए या only for those models who are at a very higher stage?
वहाँ तक पहुँचने में भी टाइम लगता है actually, क्योंकि the thing is कि you know when you are a raw talent, तुम्हारे पास कोई पोर्टफोलियो नहीं होती, कुछ नहीं होता. You do not have anyone's goodwill with you. How do you think people are going to hire you? Because no one knows you. What if क्योंकि like it's like कि shoots, shows, इसमें बहुत पैसा खर्च होता है and nobody wants to hire a person जिन पे वो trust नहीं करते हैं and चीज़ें ख़राब हो जाए eventually. तो they usually go for people they, you know, trust. So that's how it works. And when it comes to raw talents, वो धीरे धीरे करके आगे बढ़ते हैं. So like it's like first they do shoots and collab. Because even if we talk about लखनऊ के भी जो raw talents and like जो जिन्होंने अभी modeling न्यू start करी है उनको idea नहीं होता इस चीज़ का. And काफ़ी like I'm not going to take any names, but काफ़ी लोग हैं लखनऊ में जो exploit करते हैं models को just because of that. And I feel very sad for such people.
Is there any solution to resolve all these?
Yeah, like you know, they need a new perspective, I feel. You know, they need to understand the culture, which is, you know, adapted by Delhi or by Mumbai. So that's the thing, because if we like compare Delhi and Lucknow's work, then Delhi's you know, people are way more professional.
यूपी साइड ये सब चीज़ें एक्सप्लॉयटेशन ज़्यादा है.
हाँ, यूपी साइड ज़्यादा है बिकॉज पीपल को लाइक यहाँ पे लोगों को नॉलेज नहीं है.
मे बी इट्स अ न्यू इंडस्ट्री, लोग फ़ायदा उठाना चाह रहे हैं, एजुकेटेड नहीं.
यस एग्जैक्टली, यहाँ पे लोग फ़ायदा उठा लेते हैं एक्चुअली. एंड आई डोंट नो व्हाट, बट मैं बहुत ही ग्रेटफुल हूँ कि मेरे साथ ऐसा नहीं हुआ. एंड हाँ, बट यूजुअली हो जाता है लोगों के साथ ऐसा. एंड मॉडल्स को फिर अपनी पोर्टफोलियो लाइक जो रॉ टैलेंट्स होते हैं वो धीरे धीरे पोर्टफोलियो बनाते हैं, फिर धीरे धीरे शूट्स करना शुरू करते हैं, लोग जानना शुरू करते हैं उनको. फिर द बेस्ट वे अ रॉ टैलेंट कैन गेन रिकग्निशन सबसे जल्दी इज़ थ्रू एन एजेंसी. क्रिएट योर पोर्टफोलियो, साइन अप विद एन एजेंसी विच इज़ लाइक अ गुड वन. तो ये होता है. तो you will eventually gain recognition and you know you will touch that height too.
एक क्विक सा रैपिड फायर खेलते हैं.
Sure.
Answer and win. Win nothing.
Nothing.
So speak your truth or play it safe.
Played safe.
Lucknow or Delhi?
Lucknow, obviously.
Mountain or beaches?
Beaches.
Wake up early or shoot till 3 a.m.?
Shoot till 3 a.m.
Shoot or sleep?
Shoot.
Indian wear or Western wear?
I like Indian wear.
Gucci or Prada?
Prada.
Sabyasachi, Manish Malhotra?
Sabyasachi.
Most overhyped fashion trend?
I believe that जिसमें बीच में चला नहीं था that बहुत सारे निफ्ट स्टूडेंट्स ऐसे बहुत सारे 7 कलर्स मिक्सअप करके पहन रहे थे.
LBCTU trend. Be a brand ambassador for Crocs or get ignored by Chanel forever?
Be a like brand ambassador.
For Crocs?
Yeah.
With that fancy things? Childish on the one overrated fashion brand?
One overrated. I feel it's Gucci because I remember मेरे यूनिवर्सिटी में this professor वो डेली Gucci की एक नकली पोलो शर्ट पहन के आते थे. Amity Noida. Yeah. So what the hell?
So ramp or red carpet?
Red carpet.
Acting or pageant?
Sorry?
Acting or pageant?
Pageant.
Winning the crown or inspiring others?
Inspiring others.
Your dream brand to model for?
Versace.
And in Indian brand that you think should be global?
It's Anita Dongre. Yeah.
So one influencer you'd never do a collab with?
So I would not take take any particular names.
Initial works.
Yeah, but I would definitely not work with someone who has a different personality off camera and have a different personality on camera.
I can say one name.
Say.
Initials are TRK. Very famous.
Okay. Yeah.
So there is a similar person from Lucknow who started a career from modeling. She was a meme in the starting, but doing very good, I think, right now.
Okay.
Urfi Javed.
Yeah.
How do you see her?
She's doing good actually. बहुत experiments करे. Like if मैं अपने perspective से बताऊँ उसने बहुत experiments करे चीज़ों के साथ. जिनको we cannot say high fashion obviously, but yeah somehow she got there. मतलब जहाँ पे we can say कि हाँ ये अब high fashion थोड़ा सा लग रहा है. She got there. Like if अभी last time का कांस का हम look देखें तो she created this whole outfit जो ऐसे like flower की तरह open होता है. So वो कांस नहीं जा पाई obviously, but the outfit was very nice.
Creativity at its peak.
Yeah.
So have you ever been in a relationship or are you in a relationship right now? Just say yes or no.
Yes.
Okay. So एक बहुत बड़ी चीज़ होती है as a model relationships में कि there are bad comments on your post, like if there's some post which people don't like or people just comment in a negative way, they are doing very negative comments. तो वो जो insecurity होती है to the next person, how do you handle it?
So see, no matter कौन सा relationship हो, I feel communication is the biggest key. If you both are communicating well with each other, I don't think so कि वहाँ पे कोई insecurities आएंगी. Also one more thing to add, this is a rule which I follow personally. If my partner is not happy और नहीं या फिर happy नहीं था किसी चीज़ के साथ जो मुझे भी लगा कि हाँ कि ये चीज़ सही नहीं है, then मैं नहीं करूँगी वो चीज़ because I respect that person. There should be equal respect for both of us.
But कभी ऐसा हुआ है कि there is specific कोई चीज़ जो सोशल मीडिया पे या कहीं करना बहुत ज़रूरी है,
ऐसा नहीं है,
person isn't comfortable with it, तो हुआ है कभी ऐसा?
हाँ हुआ है, बिल्कुल हुआ है, but it's just again हमने communicate it out. If you want, it's just going to pile up and then वो बहुत बड़ा बन जाता है and everything ends. So Yeah. Okay, I'm not a relationship coach.
बट स्टिल चीज़ें तो होती रहती हैं.
Yeah.
आई बिलीव अगर लोग 3-4 साल रिलेशनशिप में रह लेते हैं तो रिलेशनशिप कोच बन ही जाते हैं. फॉर एवरीवन आउट देयर एग्जांपल्स. So जैसे you told कि you joined one NGO foundation Lucknow itself, and they are working for child marriages and all. They are working for maybe basically feminism, like trying to protect women. So is there any specific reason to join this industry? कुछ ऐसा background सा रहा है, कुछ trauma रहा है जो got you here?
Yes, they like मेरे हैं कुछ childhood traumas जिसकी वजह से मैंने हमेशा सोचा कि just because I am in this situation, I won't let other girls end up in the same. So that was my main reason कि मैं इसके लिए work करूँ. Because I have seen such, obstacles in my life just because of my traumas and situation which were related to it. And I don't want anyone else to suffer from the same. So मैं तो अपने एंड से बेस्ट चाहूँगी कि पूरा ट्राई कर रही हूँ कि we can bring a change into our society.
If you don't mind, is it from your own family or you just saw some things which you feel was just not right?
You can say both. Okay.
Not talk more about that. So if you were to suggest for someone who wants to follow your footsteps, who want to enter this industry, what would you suggest them?
Okay, so the first thing I'll suggest them is कि self belief बहुत ज़्यादा रखना, because people are going to crush you in this society or in this industry, you can say. Okay, there are people out there who will try to bring you down and ये सबसे ज़्यादा तब होगा when you are doing really good, people are going to be jealous of you, but just remember that constructive criticism and criticism में बहुत difference होता है, right? Constructive criticism जब तक नहीं मिल रहा है उसको दिल से मत लगाओ, because सिर्फ अगर criticism आ रहा है किसी से तो वो जिससे आ रहा है they are just empty from within.
Definitely.
So don't let that affect you.
तो when you're preparing for कोई event, कोई show, तो कभी ऐसा होता है कि एक दिमाग में प्लानिंग रहती है कि यहाँ जा तो रहे हैं बट इस सिटी के लोगों के साथ कंपटीशन बहुत टफ होने वाला है?
हाँ होता है, because you know your capabilities, कहाँ आप stand करते हो. उसके बाद when I always act as a sponge. I observe people, I absorb them. Okay, so जब मैं किसी competition में जाती हूँ तो what I do is that I always observe them. ठीक है कि कौन कहाँ पे stand करता है through their performances. So एक आपको आइडिया लगता है कि ओके ये यहाँ पे हारने के लिए आया है, ये यहाँ पे है मेरे कंपटीशन का, सो मुझे इतने एरिया पे फोकस करना है, रेस्ट आर टेकन केयर ऑफ.
कभी सिटी वाइज ऐसे कुछ जजेस फेवरेट बायसनेस होती है?
आई एम नॉट श्योर ऑफ इट, क्योंकि मेरे सामने आई डोंट एज सच रिकॉल इट, बट आई फील हाँ होती है थोड़ी बहुत.
Ever experienced?
Heard of it.
From?
A friend.
So, but कुछ ऐसी डार्क रियलिटी ऑफ दिस इंडस्ट्री जो लोगों को नहीं पता, बाहर से दिखाई नहीं देती, बट ओनली द पेजेंट्स एंड द मॉडल्स नो फ्रॉम इनसाइड कि यहाँ क्या हो रहा है.
So when I went for this pageant in 2022, after the pageant I got to know that there were girls who were paid to participate at the pageant.
They were just paid to participate, and did they win?
No.
So they were paid just to get eliminated,
Yes.
but for
Money.
what was the benefit? What was the benefit for the show doing this?
Because it was just an experiment for them, you can say. Kind of experiment, because they were doing that pageant for the very first time.
Okay.
Yeah.
So maybe just for the reach and all. This is what.
This was something that I witnessed, and I was in a total shock. because I prepared myself accordingly to the pageant, and then I got to know that OMG, these girls were paid, you know, to participate and get eliminated.
Where did you stand in that show? Specific show?
I was the first runner-up.
Okay.
Yeah.
And the first one who won was, like, if you don't want to name it, it's okay.
Yeah. So yeah, she was. I just don't want to disclose it.
Okay.
Yeah, I hope you understand.
Definitely. So कोई ऐसी लखनऊ में कुछ ऐसी सी जगह है which are called horror या कुछ terrifying सी जगह है. Have you had any incident of these horror things and all?
ऐसे किसी लखनऊ की पर्टिकुलर जगह पे कोई हॉरर इंसिडेंट नहीं हुआ है मेरे साथ, बट आई रिमेंबर व्हेन आई वाज लाइक इन 6th क्लास. ठीक है. तो इट वाज न्यू ईयर्स, लाइक सुबह हो रही थी, एंड यू नो लाइक देयर वर 2 रूम्स एट माई हाउस. लाइक मेरे राइट वाला जो रूम था, देयर माई पैटर्नल ग्रैंड मदर वॉज स्लीपिंग, माई दादी, शी वॉज स्लीपिंग ओवर देयर. एंड मैं लेफ्ट वाले रूम में अपनी बुआ साथ बैठी हुई थी और कोई नहीं उठा हुआ था घर में. एंड लाइक दोनों रूम के सामने देयर वाज जस्ट गैलरी. ठीक है. तो हमें क्या दिखा कि मतलब मैंने भी ये चीज़ देखी, एंड मेरे साथ जो मेरी बुआ बैठी थी उन्होंने भी. एंड पहले मतलब हम दोनों फिर एक दूसरे को देखा, तो मेरी बुआ बोली जस्ट गो एंड चेक कौन था. मैं गई देखने, एंड पता है लाइक गैलरी जो थी वो बाथरूम की तरफ जा रही थी. तो बुआ ने बोला कि देखो कौन उठा है. मैं गई देखने, एवरीवन वाज स्लीपिंग एंड नो वन वाज देयर इन द बाथरूम, एंड वी कुडंट इवन सी कि वो क्या था. एंड आफ्टर अ व्हाइल व्हाट हैपेंड वाज मेरी दादी की तबीयत बहुत ख़राब होने लगी, एंड वो हर टाइम सिर्फ एक चीज़ रिपीट पे बोलती थी, और लाइक रूम के कॉर्नर को पॉइंट करके, वो मुझे देख रहा है, वो आ जाएगा, वो मुझे लेने आ गया है. दिस वाज समथिंग, एंड लाइक इवेंचुअली माई दादी पास्ड अवे, एंड लाइक आई डोंट नो व्हाट वाज दैट.
How did you face this?
So I was like really small back then, so
तब तो और ज़्यादा डर होता है.
yeah, like मुझे उस घर में डर लगने लगा था अकेले. like मैं और मेरे cousins हम सभी डरते थे, कोई रुकता नहीं था घर में अकेले. so this was the whole scenario.
We had a similar incident.
अच्छा, please share.
But हम नहीं डरे थे.
क्या हुआ था?
There are people in this room also. जो उसके पीछे चले गए थे.
Okay.
We were in Lamartine. एक हमारा कैंप था. We were like awake for 2 or 3 in the morning. हमें दूर से दिखा कि कोई तो जा रहा है. 3 of us were there. हमें दूर से दिखा कि कोई तो जा रहा है. Completely white clothes and all. And Lamartine is said to be one of the haunted place. तो हम उसके पीछे चले गए रात में 3 बजे.
क्यों? Why? क्या मजा आ रही थी?
There are certain people in this room जिन्होंने प्रोवोक किया और हम पीछे चले गए.
Okay, then
I guess 9th में. So what happened was कि हम थोड़ी देर पीछे गए and अचानक से that whosoever it was just completely vanished.
जी.
और फिर उसके बाद सब डर के आए वापस and they just left. और सुबह किसी के आगे ये बात हुई तो हमको ही गाली पड़ी. Why were you awake in a scouts camp? It was a scout camp.
Okay.
So why were you awake? यही था बस. But still हमें मजा आई थी. So if you were to give one message to everyone watching this video and everyone aspiring to become a model, a pageant, or even maybe like someone related to this industry, what would you give?
So my message to everyone is that if I can do it, then you can too do it. You know, if I can voice up for myself, then every person on this earth can do that for themselves. It's just you need to understand your potential and you need to believe in yourself. That is all it takes to, you know, make it till here.
So Sanskriti, thank you for this valuable podcast, for your valuable time. All the best for your event of Miss Grand India finals, and we really hope next time you join us here for our podcast, you'll join as a winner.
Thank you so much. It was great talking to you.
Thank you so much for this time.
Thank you.
You're welcome.